Hey everyone, how's everybody doing? Getting ready for Halloween. I'm spraying this in my garage. As you can see, it was raining outside, so I didn't want to go out there, and I'm just spraying it away. Those little coffins that you get from Dollar Tree. I got a couple of them. It's all nice and dry. How cute is he? Okay, you remember those little skeletons that are on a garland? I just picked some of those off of the garland, and I'm just going to cut that little, it's a little like top on his head. It's like a little circle. I just snip that off. I am going to use some of this netting. This stuff is great. You can use this for so many things. It's like a fun type material. It stretches. It can get really stringy, which makes it look more Halloween-y. And I'm just cutting through a little piece of it. So I'm just going to lay this down inside the little coffin. Sort of spreading it out because it is very stretchy. And then I have some of that Spanish moss that you get from Dollar Tree. Actually, all of these items came from the Dollar Tree, so it's definitely a Dollar Tree one. I did get some of this, I don't know, it's like a greenery. It's a long garland that I got at Hobby Lobby. And normally I just take a couple strands off because it just looks really creepy. And I'm just going to also glue the back of this cover, almost making it look like a tombstone. So I'm just gluing it to the back of the coffin. I love the way it turns out. He's kind of creepy, as you can see. It just looks creepy with all of the creepy stuff inside. And I made a couple of different ones like this, so they're fun to make. They're quick, they're easy. All right, DIY number 2 is one of their towels that you get in the kitchen department. And I'm just going to make a pillow. So you want to just make sure it's even. I'm taking the little tag off of it. And you just take your glue gun, because it's a no-sew pillow. You take your glue gun and just do a line of glue down all of the sides. And you want to leave a little opening so that you could put the stuff in it. Now I just get a pillow from Walmart, which would be cheaper than buying it by the bags. And I happen to have an old pillow, so keep all those old pillows. I opened the pillow and got some of the stuffing out of it to stuff this cute little Halloween pillow. I'm just smoothing it out, making sure it's going to be sealed with the glue. Try not to burn your hands. And then you're just going to press both of the fabrics together. Make sure you do it on the inside out. Otherwise, it won't work. Again, just smooth it out so there's no like lumps in there. Here's the pillow that I cut open. I'm just pulling all this stuffing out of it. And I would always pack it full because over the years I've noticed they sort of flatten out. So this is sort of like a permanent type solution. So just pack it as full as you can. Make sure you turn your pillowcase inside out and then start stuffing stuff away. Make sure you press in those corners too real good. I just stick my finger in it, make sure the corners are out. And once you pack it full, you're gonna just glue that little place that you stuff the stuffing in to close it real good. Make sure you turn it in so the edges are not unraveled. So make sure you turn it in so it's like a finished product. So if you would subscribe, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the like button. We would really appreciate it. Isn't that cute? It's just a little pillow that you could put in your room or add to your Halloween decor. There it is again, but it's white around the edges. Cute pillow. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and comment and hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next video. I hope you're having a wonderful day and that you're enjoying your restful, peaceful time. Bye.